Where we perform Hajj?
Khane Kaaba.
Khane Kaaba. And Khane Kaaba is the house of Allah. Is the house of Allah. Okay.
टीचर जब बता रही है
Which prophet gave the sacrification? Which prophet? Will you tell me?
क्या पूछ रही है?
कौन से prophet ने दी थी sacrification? जल्दी जल्दी से बता दे. Very good. Abbas, Irsa, Hassan Abdullah, you are not saying. Hazrat.
बोलो हजरत
Very good. Very nice. बहुत ही अच्छे से आंसर किया. हजरत इब्राहिम अलैहिस्सलाम. Very good. अच्छा जी. What is the name of his son? उनके बेटे का क्या नाम है? Very good, Anabia. Abbas, you are not saying. Job. Okay. Now I share one picture to you. अब आप उस पिक्चर में देखेंगे.
मैंने क्या कहा टीचर की सुने टीचर क्या कह रही
है
है
ना? और उसमें परफॉर्मिंग हज बताया गया. It's only तो हम जल्दी से रिव्यू कर लेंगे.
उम्र आपको
किसकी तरफ से ये बहुत की आवाजें आ रही हैं. Okay, fine. Look at this. Number one is Tawafe Kaaba. Tawafe Kaaba. We will walk around the Kaaba 7 times. We will walk around the Kaaba 7 times. Then do Sahi. I will mute to all of you. Now it's stopped. We can do Sahi. Sahi means walk here and there. Walk here and there. But this walk is not slowly. It's a fasting walk fast. It's called Sahi. Fine? It's called Sahi. We can do Sahi in between Safa and Marwa. Then we stay in the tent when we are performing Hajj and stay at Saudi Arab, Makkah. जब हम मक्का में जाके रहते हैं हज परफॉर्म करने के लिए तो हम कहाँ रहते हैं? टेंट में रहते हैं. ठीक है? Then the other step of performing Hajj is drinking Zamzam water. Drinking Zamzam water. मैंने आपको बताया था कि Zamzam water कहाँ से निकला? जब हजरत इस्माइल छोटे से बेबी थे तो हजरत इब्राहिम अलैहिस्सलाम डेजर्ट एरिया में चले गए थे अल्लाह की इबादत के लिए. और फिर एक दिन बीबी हाजरा को पानी नहीं मिल रहा था और वो यहाँ से वहाँ सफा और मरवा की पहाड़ियों के बीच में वॉक कर रही थी. और फिर अल्लाह ताला ने ये जमजम वाटर जमीन के नीचे से निकाला और वो जमजम वाटर हम हज के अरकान में ड्रिंक करते हैं, पीते हैं. आफ्टर दैट
गिफ्ट के तौर पे लेके भी आते हैं.
यस, आफ्टर दैट वी कैन कलेक्ट 7 pebbles फ्रॉम द सफा एंड मरवा ग्राउंड. हु डू दिस? ये कौन कर रहा है रेड कलर से? आई नो द नेम ऑफ दैट बेबी and I will block. Then we collect the 7 pebbles from the ground of Safa and Marwa and throw to the 3 शैतान. और जो 3 शैतान हैं जिन्होंने हजरत इब्राहिम अलैहिस्सलाम को सेक्रिफाइजेशन देने से मना किया था, 3 टाइम शैतान ने आके उनको मना किया कि
उर्वा,
गिव द
फाइंड
सैक्रिफाइस।
आउट इरेजर।
तो हजरत इब्राहिम ने क्या किया, उसको अपने सामने से हटा दिया। तो दिस एक्शन रिमेम्बरेंस वी कैन परफॉर्मिंग दिस एक्शन टू थ्रो द पेबल ऑन 3 शैतान, ऑन 3 शैतान। ये जो 3 शैतान नजर आ रहे हैं आपको पिक्चर में, इसके ऊपर हम पेबल्स थ्रो करते हैं, 7 पेबल्स। फाइनली व्हेन वी गोइंग टू ऑल स्टेप, we can give the sacrification of animal. How many animals we can use for sacrification? There are 4 animals like sheep, goat,
Camel,
camel
goat.
and cow. These animals we can use for sacrification. Okay? और जब हम ये sacrification दे देते हैं, उसके बाद हमारा हज मुकम्मल हो जाता है, हमारा हज कंप्लीट हो जाता है। ओके, ये जो भी बेबी कर रहा है ना, मुझे सब नजर आ गया, मैंने देख लिया उसको। ठीक है, इस तरह से हमारे हज के स्टेप्स फिनिश हो जाते हैं और फिर हम 1 और 2 डेज के बाद अपनी कंट्री, अपनी सिटी में वापस आना शुरू हो जाते हैं। इट्स अ रिव्यू ऑफ अबाउट हज. Now we will do the some review about the hygiene box as well, because it's connected. That's why I'm doing the review of hygiene box. Do you remember? I have a hygiene box. याद है आपको ना कि हाइजीन बॉक्स में से मैंने कुछ चीजें निकाली थी और हमें क्या करना था उसके जरिए, हमें उसके जरिए से अपनी हाइजीन हैबिट्स को फॉलो करना था। जस्ट अ मिनट, आई नाउ आई विल शो द पिक्चर एंड यू कैन टेल मी। ठीक है ना, आप मुझे बताएंगे कि क्या करना है हमें। नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? एवरीवन unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, everyone. Very good. Everyone speak up. Yes.
जैसा होता है ना,
And what is this?
ब्रश,
Speak up, everyone. Brush. What we do with it? What we do with it? Brush our teeth. How many times? Twice a day. Very nice. Daytime. Daytime. And then
नहीं ना,
क्या है?
sun. It's a sun. Daytime. And there is a night time.
Morning time and night time.
What we do? We do brush.
मेरे मुल्क का नाम पाकिस्तान है। पाकिस्तान एक खूबसूरत मुल्क है।
How many times we do brush? Twice a time. Daytime, night time. Very good.
सन
And
निकलता है
when
दिन
we are
में,
going to performing Hajj at the Makkah, we can also do brushing, and daily we can do brushing. Okay?
भी तो लगाते हैं रात में,
Moon comes in the night.
निकलता है
Okay.
कड़ी
Second hygiene is what we do with the nail. हम अपने nail के साथ क्या करते हैं?
कहाँ से बना के ला दिए?
टीचर ने बना के रखा है आपके लिए। टीचर ने बना के रखा है बेटे आपके लिए। हम अपने नेल्स के साथ क्या करेंगे? We can cut it short. You can see, ये देखें ये कितना big है। This one, how big it is, and we can cut it short. हम इसको short cut कर लेंगे, short cut कर लेंगे। Look at the last finger, baby finger को cut it. We can cut it. Okay?
नहीं
In performing Hajj, on the first of Zilhaj, we can cut our nail if we are giving the sacrification. ये सारी चीजें sacrification के साथ connect है, इसलिए मैं आपको दोबारा से repeat कर रही हूँ. जब हम sacrification के लिए no voice, no voice. जब हम sacrification के लिए खाने काबा जाते हैं, उससे पहले फर्स्ट जिलहज को हमें अपने नेल्स कट कर लेने हैं, ठीक है? उसके बाद हम कट नहीं कर सकते. नाउ अनदर मैजिक हाइजीन, that is comb. Comb our hair, and this comb says to us always wash before use. इस्तेमाल करने से पहले इसको हमेशा धो लेना चाहिए, वॉश कर लेना चाहिए. Then we can do combing on our hairs. You are not watching to me, तो अपने comb करने से पहले हमें इसको क्या करना चाहिए? Wash. When we are performing Hajj, और जब हम हज कर लेते हैं 10th of Zilhaj को, तो फिर हमें बालों में कोमिंग नहीं करनी, हमें बाल अपने कट करवाने होते हैं, ठीक है? The last or important for everyone, this is a piece of tissue. Use me. Use me when you are having a nausea, or when you are willing to clean your face, or your nose is running, so you can clean with the tissue. When you are sneezing, so you keep tissue to your face. Okay, so use tissue or handkerchief. Handkerchief is rumal. Use tissue or handkerchief. These are hygiene habits, good habits to do this. And all the things connected with the Hajj as well. जब हम हज पे जाते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे पास वहाँ बहुत सारे lots of peoples are there. मैंने आपको बताया all around the world many peoples come to performing Hajj all around the world. कुछ अमेरिका से आते हैं, तो कुछ कनाडा से आते हैं, कुछ पाकिस्तान से, कुछ इंडिया से, कुछ ईरान से, डिफरेंट कंट्रीज से सारे लोग वहाँ आते हैं और वहाँ पे आके अपनी परफॉर्मिंग करते हैं हज की. अब जब इतने सारे लोग गैदर हैं, तो हमें स्नीजिंग भी आ सकती है, हमें नोजिया भी हो सकता है, और हमें हल्का सा फीवर भी हो सकता है. तो वी कैन कीप दीज थिंग विद अस एंड यूज प्रॉपर इन मैनर. ओके, तो वी कैन क्योर विद द अदर डिजीज. वहाँ गर्मी भी होती है, तो हमें गर्मी से भी बचना है. इस तरह की सारी चीजें हमें कवर करनी होती हैं, बीइंग अ ह्यूमन. ओके, फाइन, क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ देम? आई होप कि सब चीजें सब बच्चों को क्लियर हो गई होंगी. नाउ अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ क्विकली. जल्दी जल्दी से सब अनम्यूट हो जाएं फटाफट से. Yes.
Shut the door.
Yes. Clear all things? Show your thumbs up. Unmute me. Hassan Abdullah. Abbas, which thing you have in a hand? Something? हमें भी तो दिखाएं, क्या है आपके पास?
Can we recite the rhyme of Hajj?
No, it's not necessary. We can go to the other word. Inshallah, very soon Miss Turfa will join. We have something for Alhamdulillah. Zain, still you are in bed? हाँ, अभी भी आप बेड पे ही हैं?
Yes, teacher, नाश्ता चल रहा है.
चले, अब कौन बता रहे हैं मुझे हम कौन कौन से एनिमल की सैक्रिफाइसेशन देते हैं? Number 1 is goat. Very good. Number 2 is camel. Very nice. Number 3 is cow. Number 4 is
Goat.
sheep. Very good.
Very nice. Well done, Abbas. That's
Wow,
great.
Abbas, very nice.
Welcome.
I have 2 sheep. This one and this one. This one and this one. Very nice. Abbas Abbas की जैसे. Very nice, Abbas. Cotton. Yes, you can. Very nice. ये कौन है जो के ले गया? Anaya. Oh, sorry. क्या नाम है? Nadia. Then where is your sheep? You didn't make Irsa? Where is yours?
Urva की class.
Yes, Irsa, where is your sheep? You didn't make it? You are not having cotton?
So I will make it.
Then you also not making? Anabia? What about you, Hassan Abdullah? And Anabia, Sayyida Anabia also. Now Miss Turfa join us. Assalamu alaikum, Miss Turfa.
How are you all?
Speak up, everyone. Teacher is asking. How are you all?
Oh, I'm good. Yes, fine.
Yes, I am fine. What about you, teacher?
I am fine. Thank you for asking. ये कौन है?
ये कौन है? बताएं अब आप कौन है? Irsa is asking, ये कौन है?
ये कौन है? Irsa, you don't know me. Who I am? What is my name? Yes.
She is Miss Turfa. She is Miss Turfa.
Okay,
And she,
remember I tell you that we should always thank to Allah for His so many blessings, okay? Allah Ta'ala gave us so many things, so that's why we should, Alhamdulillah, what should we say? Yes, Alhamdulillah. We should always say Alhamdulillah, right? Now tell me who gave us nose?
Alhamdulillah.
Who gave us nose?
Allah Ta'ala.
Yes, Allah Ta'ala gave us nose. Alhamdulillah. Say Alhamdulillah for giving me nose. Smell. Yes. Look, the girl is smelling the flowers. Nose to smell the flowers, okay? Say Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
speak up. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Who gave us family? We have
Teacher have to wait. There is a azan. Everyone fold your arms. Sit proper in manner. Very nice, Irsa, Anabia. And don't talk, don't talk. Now it's finished.
Okay, now look who gave us family, like who gave us mama, baba, bhaiya, and api. Who gave us? Allah Ta'ala, na? Allah Ta'ala gave us such a wonderful family. So, what should we say? Alhamdulillah. Yes, Alhamdulillah. Stop writing. Say Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Okay? You should always say Alhamdulillah because Allah Ta'ala gave us so many blessings. Okay? Who gave us ears? We have 2 ears, na? We use our ears to listen. Okay? Who gave us ears? Allah Ta'ala. Yes, Allah Ta'ala gave us ears. So we should say Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah for giving me ears. Okay? Alhamdulillah for giving me ears. Okay? Say Alhamdulillah, everyone. Yes.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Yes, very nice, Anabia. Good. You should always thank Allah by saying Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay. Now, Miss Iram is going to play a rhyme of Alhamdulillah for you. Do you guys want to listen? Yes? Do you guys want to listen a rhyme? Miss Iram is going to play for you guys.
Yes, just wait.
Sit nicely, Hassan, Abdullah.
Breakfast is ready. Yay!
Let's say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. What's that, Daddy?
Alhamdulillah means all praises and thanks be to Allah.
Allah.
Let's all say Alhamdulillah.
I say Alhamdulillah. And then I say Alhamdulillah. All our praises and thanks be to Allah. Alhamdulillah. Mommy, we're leaving now. Okay, have fun. I'm going to school. Let's go together. Let's go. Alhamdulillah. We meet our friends, Alhamdulillah. We play together, Alhamdulillah. All our praises and thanks be to Allah, Alhamdulillah. Good night, mommy. Good night, daddy. I love mommy, Alhamdulillah. I love daddy, Alhamdulillah. We love our family, Alhamdulillah. All our praises and thanks be to Allah, Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Very nice, very nice.
So did you
Thank you
enjoy
for
the rhyme?
Yeah. Okay. Now Miss Iram will tell you what you guys are doing next, and Allah Hafiz from my side.
Thank you,
Allah
Miss
Hafiz.
Nurfa.
Welcome.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Now Miss Noori with us. Assalamu alaikum, Miss Noori.
Walaikum assalam.
How are
Hello
you?
everyone. I'm good. Alhamdulillah. How are you all? Are you fine? Yes, you are fine. Very nice. Can you please thumbs up if you are fine? Thumbs up, please. Yes, and also say Alhamdulillah because we are fine. Yes. Say Alhamdulillah. I am fine. Alhamdulillah. Very nice. Okay, so today we are going to start our new storybook. Do you want to read a new storybook? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay. And do you know what? You don't have that storybook with you. But don't worry. Remember, teacher is going to show you your storybook on your screen. Okay? So please keep your pencils and keep your copies aside and look at your screens. Look at your screens. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. So we are going to read a story. And the name of the story
I think Miss Noori's net is not working proper, but I hope she will join. Today she has a new story and she will show the picture to you as well. Okay? And I hope you enjoy this story a lot because this is the story about something new. And always you enjoy the new things. Okay? So we have to wait a minute. Let me ask to Miss Noori what happening. Either it's electricity failure or something else. Sometimes the electricity failure is also happening with us, so we are unable to connect the class. आ गई, she is here. Now Miss Noori is here.
I'm really sorry.
Yes.
I just got technical
Okay.
issues. Okay, so we are going to read a storybook, and the name of the storybook is Hide and Seek. Okay, yes. So, can you look at the screen? Nice. Okay, so can you tell me who is over here? A boy. Yes, I'm going to show you. Look, here is a boy and there is uncle sneaking from the fence. Okay, and there is one more person inside the box. They are playing a game, hide and seek. Which game they are playing? Hide and seek. Okay, now we are going to read it. Can you see us? Can you see us? Can you see them? Let's go on next page and see if we can see them or not. Can you see me? Can you see me? Look, there is a boy who is playing hide and seek and he needs to find his friends. Look how he is finding his friends. There is Chip hiding under the wheelbarrow. Who is hiding? Chip is hiding. And he asked, can you see me? Yes, I can see you. Yes, I can see you. Yes, I can see you. Now, we are going to read the list of words. Okay? Hide. 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 What is written in red color? Hide. End. 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 What is written in yellow color? End. Very nice, thank you. Okay, now let's see which word is next. What is written in green color? Seek. 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 Now let's see which word is next. Can. 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 Very nice. Good job. Can you repeat it one more time with me? Hide and seek. Can. Can you tell me what is written in green color? Seek. What is written in green color? Seek. And what is written in red color? Hide. What is written in red color? Hide. And what is written in blue color? Can. What is written in blue color? Can. And the last word is end. 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 Thank you so much for reading with me. And teacher is going to share you this storybook which you can see on your screens, and you can also read them. Okay? Thank you so much for reading. So,
Thank you.
Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, Miss Noori. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Now, did you enjoy that new story? First of all, I unmute my champs. Then I hear, do you enjoy or not? Yes, everyone, speak up. When you read the new story, you enjoy or not?
Yes.
Yes. So,
Yes.
yes. Inshallah, very soon, teacher give this story book. आप थक गई? Oh my God. अब क्या करें? इरसा, अब सोना है? अब सोना है? You want to sleep?